Howdy, howdy, howdy. As you can tell, I'm not in the city. And I'm not in it because, well, I may have stolen Balázs's Clio. It's got some Gordony bits, lots of trash in it, but most importantly, it has an Akrapovic exhaust. And yep, that's Gergo right there. Balázs is driving his UZ. We're going to see which car sounds better, so to speak. See you there. Dude!
What up? What do we do?
What do we do? Today is all about...
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing? Today is all about car sounds, especially sounds of these two. Because...
2?
2.
2 plus 2 is 4.
2.
I've got an accent. Deal with it, bruh.
No.
So yeah, it's all about car sounds. Specifically, NA V6, inline 4, 200 horsepower, 300 horsepower, roughly.
330.
Okay, elitist, bruh. Okay, I see ya. Alright, so it's all about noises. This one, as you will see, or likely hear, has lots of noises up front coming from the intakes. Compared to that one, which will have most of its noise coming from these pipes. Damn right, bro. By the way, for you Americans, Akrapovic, hear it? Akrapovic, that's how you pronounce it. Not Akrapovic, stuff like that. Gergo is Instagramming his stuff.
It's only for me.
Is it for me?
It's me.
I know, I see you. Yeah. So, if you didn't know, this is Gergo's new HR 350Z. It's an 08. It's got some sweet mods. As you can see, it's got the Ankais. This dude bought
Yes.
a hell of a lot of time ago. But what he didn't buy, what the previous owner did, was these 355 by 32 floating, is it? I think it's floating. 4-pot stop-tach front brakes. And, well, as you can see, it's a bit lower than standard. I mean, apart from the fact that it's obviously very stuck, right? Yes?
No.
It also has KW V3 coilovers, some adjustable front upper control arms. I don't know, it's oh yeah, HKS intakes, which will make most of the noise today. And
They look like garbage.
and white line anti-roll bars and bushings and stuff like that, you know, some goodies. As you could also see, we also put the Recaro from the other Z into this car. Well, you want to tell them what happened with the right side Recaro though?
Well, I'm not ready yet.
He's not ready. We tried to put the right side Recaro in as well, but even with the same rails, nope, it did not work. Now, on to the Clio. This is a Clio 197 or Clio 3 RS pre-facelift. 197 says it's 197 horsepower, coming from a 2-liter NA F4R Renault engine and singing its song through those glorious tailpipes. It's got all the right bits: factory aero, factory side skirts, factory front lip. It's also lower than KW's. I think these are V1s. And it also has some nice bits in the interior, which I'm going to show you just in a second. So yeah, dash is from a facelift model. It's got a really nice Gordony shift knob. I don't know if you can tell it, but it's a bit too bright. Oh yeah. And some Gordony seats with some of my stuff in it, because I was driving this car, which I do love doing actually. So yeah, without further ado, I think it's time to hear these cars. front of it sounds even better. Ah, damn it. Sweet. The Clio is a bit of a different character. It's more subtle. Way less noisy from the front. It's all sweet and nice, but it's time to hear them in action. So yeah, I think that concludes our driving noises video. Where is he? He's there. Yeah. I mean, this car looks good. Both cars look good. So yeah, we are actually going to shoot some thumbnails now, and that's probably it for today. Hey, we had fun, so that's what counts. Both cars sound really good. So I never thought I would be the guy to, you know, like NA cars, maybe more than some turbo ones, because I like my choo-choo noises. But after doing a noise check on these, well, it's hard to say which one's better. And it's hard not to love them, because, well, they sound really good. They feel really good. I love driving both of them. So, that said, still, I'm more of the choo-choo noises and family vans kind of guy, of course. So, I think this is me logging off after, I would say, 10 minutes of owning cars and listening to NA noises. So, I'll leave you guys with this picture for the last of it. I think this is actually quite a good thumbnail. So yeah, as always, hope you liked the video. If you did, you know, there's a button, this shape down there, which you can push. And maybe you can write a comment. Tell me, which one is better? Granted, this is my channel, so I think people are going to vote for the RenaultSport, but it's a tough choice. Yours to make. Until next time. Bye. Oh yeah, almost forgot to say, this right here that you are watching is from a new camera, and as such it has a new microphone, it has new lens, all that stuff. So if this video is not perfect, please bear with me. I swear I'll make it spot on. But for now, this is what it is. And this video is all about the noises anyway, right?